Good morning. These are the directions for your IELTS assessment for the reading passage or the passage comprehension. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to IELTS. We bookmarked this a couple weeks ago. So you'll go to IELTS for students and you will log in. Remember, we're Bloomington Public Schools. I gave you a password and a username. So go ahead and log in. Should have those things saved. All right, there's an assignment here, and I see it at the bottom of the page where the check mark is. I'm going to click on that, and that takes me to this assignments page. I see I have one assignment in my monitor progress. Click on that, and it is the grade level D beginning of the year. I'm clicking on that. All right, so we've done the vocabulary, the sentence, the listening. We did passage 1 and 2 last week. What we're going to do this week is we are going to complete this with passage 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's your job today, is to complete these 4 passages. So you'll see passage 3 is here. It's 3 paragraphs, and there's 5 questions. Passage 4 is more of a list, and 5 questions. Passage 5 is a little bit longer. There's 4 paragraphs and 5 questions. And passage 6 is right here. Remember to scroll down. This is also 4 paragraphs and 5 questions. All right, once you are finished with this and you have finished all of these others, all of the listening and all of the sentence and that sort of thing, you're going to submit. Finally, we submit. In the past, we'd saved and exit, but today we submit so that I can get some scores and get you working on what you need to work on. All right, have a great day. Good luck.